In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Meitu app to the latest version. So if you want to get the latest version of Meitu, you need to go ahead and look for the latest version using your smartphone and update it. By updating your Meitu app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this photo and video editor tool. You'll also be able to fix any issues that might be associated with your Meitu app. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to update your Meitu app, you need to go ahead and find or look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and head straight to Google Play Store. Once you find your Play Store app, go ahead and log in using your Gmail account, and you should be able to see your email icon here. To update it, you need to go ahead and search for the app, and you should see a search bar on top here. In case you can't find your search bar, then head down to a search icon here and tap on it, and now we have our search bar. Go ahead and tap on it and search the app by name. So I'll search Meitu, and then to search for it, go ahead and tap on search here. As you can see, if I tap on my Meitu AI photo and video editor app here, you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Meitu app. To update it, tap on update, and this will download the latest version of Meitu app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can now proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Meitu app. So that's how you can get the latest version of Meitu app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.